Yeah, what really drew me into packaging was sort of the real world manufacturing and the speed of sort of the design process within packaging. Working in such a flexible industry when it comes to the material you work with, I really liked how it was really fast. I could come up with an idea, and then within days, I had a customer facing prototype.
It's cool designing for club stores or the supermarket, being able to go there and seeing your product on the pallet display or on the shelf or freezer, knowing that you've made it, and even be able to purchase it if you really enjoy the product makes it rewarding to see what you've made.
You come across every different product imaginable, from beverage to retail to cosmetics to industrial. And it's something that you won't get working for a specific product line or a specific company. And just the variety of what we see every day, I really enjoyed that.
I definitely work cross-functionally with our entire team here. Every department is important. I heavily work with the sales team and customer service, but also shipping, accounting. I mean, everybody's involved. So it requires me to be an effective communicator with them and really learn what their role is and what they do, so that I'm able to not only help them, but in turn help myself.
I feel the demand for packaging engineers has gone up astronomically in the past decade since I've come out of school.
Some advice I'd give to current packaging students would just be to keep an open mind and really get involved. If there's any club or internship or lab experience you can get related to the field, it's never going to hurt. And you always are going to make some connections, and those connections really make the difference, and it might even end up with you getting a job.
It was interesting to me to get into the corrugated industry and really see the flexibility of what you can do with corrugated, all the different types of packaging, graphics, branding that you can put on a corrugated package, which I really enjoyed.
Going into the packaging industry, I really didn't know much about corrugated specifically. And I think my favorite thing I've learned about corrugated is how versatile it really is. I never would have imagined that the automotive industry uses corrugated the way it does. There's so much that they can do with it. It's a lot stronger than people think it is. We can use corrugated for a lot.
It's highly customizable. You can make pretty much anything out of it, and it's easily printed on. So there's just endless applications as far as what you can do with it, though there's much you can't do with it.
I was really drawn to corrugated over other types of packaging, specifically for the sustainability aspect. Here with Pratt, it's really fun to work with what I know is recycled material. When I make a bunch of samples for a customer, I know they're not going to waste, and they're not made out of wasteful product, such as plastic or foam or things like that. And it's really nice knowing that everything I make and goes into production could possibly end up again at Pratt through one of our mills in recycled paper, and I could see it again in a few years.
Corrugated, being 100% recycled, and being 100% recyclable makes it even better knowing that you're not leaving a big impact on the environment negatively.
Working for Pratt is great. There are a lot of different areas for growth, and I definitely feel supported by my team, and it's just a really fun place to work. You get to work with all the departments within our company, and it feels like I can reach out to anybody and get a straightforward answer.
Pratt #1 is focused on its employees, employee first. You know, everything we talk about from our CEO all the way down, the message is always that you take care of your people, you treat your people right, you train your people correctly, and you give them the opportunity to grow.
I would definitely encourage students to pursue a career or an internship here at Pratt Industries, specifically for the culture and opportunities that we have. Everybody who works at Pratt is really focused on the sustainability aspect that we have, as well as just our corporate culture is really great. We also have such a great reach as a huge company, but each plant feels really small and local at the same time. So it's kind of the best of both worlds. We have a lot of great resources and opportunities. I love all the people I get to work with, and they're all really passionate about what we do and making an impact. And we're all from such diverse backgrounds. I've become friends with everybody here at Pratt Industries.